When I ask my students, 지난 주말에 뭐 했어요? What did you do last weekend? Many of my students mistakenly answer 쉬했어요 instead of 쉬었어요.
Wow!
Why does this happen? Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel where we learn Korean step by step. Today we're diving into 3 words that might sound similar but have very different meanings. 쉬워요, 쉬어요, and 쉬해요. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's talk about 쉬워요. This comes from the adjective 쉽다, which means easy. Use this word when you're talking about something simple or not difficult. How to conjugate 쉽다, it becomes 쉬워요, 쉬워요, or 쉽습니다, 쉽습니다. 한국어는 쉬워요, 한국어는 쉬워요. Well, I hope it's getting easier for you. 이 문제는 쉬워요. 이 문제는 쉬워요. 이 게임은 생각보다 쉬워요. 이 게임은 생각보다 쉬워요. Next, let's look at 쉬어요. 쉬어요. This comes from the verb 쉬다, which means to rest or to take a break. This is a very common word you'll hear in daily conversations, especially when talking about taking care of yourself or someone else. How to conjugate? 쉽다, it becomes 쉬어요, 쉬어요. 지금 쉬어요, 지금 쉬어요. 좀 쉬세요, 좀 쉬세요. 주말에는 푹 쉬어요, 주말에는 푹 쉬어요. Finally, what about 쉬해요? 쉬해요 actually has meaning. It's a playful or informal term used by children meaning to pee. So, while it's not standard Korean you'd use as an adult, it does exist in a specific context. Be careful not to mix it up in the wrong situation. Common mistake. When I ask my students, 지난 주말에 뭐 했어요? What did you do last weekend? Many of my students mistakenly answer 쉬했어요 instead of 쉬었어요.
Wow!
Why does this happen? It's because in Korean we attach 하다 to many nouns to create verbs such as 공부하다 or 운동하다. So learners often assume she should also pair with 하다, creating the incorrect phrase 쉬하다. But remember, the correct form is simply 쉬다, not 쉬하다, and its conjugation is 쉬어요, 쉬었어요, 주말에 잘 쉬었어요. 쉬워요 means easy, 쉬어요 is all about resting, and 쉬해요 doesn't exist in the dictionary. Now it's your turn. Try making your own sentences with 쉬워요 and 쉬어요 in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson. See you next time, everyone. Bye! 안녕!